Hi and welcome to this tutorial from the File ICT Academy video library. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a restore point in a Windows operating system. Now, when you create a restore point in Windows, it helps you to restore your computer back to an earlier date in case your computer got crashed or your computer is infected with a virus or it just becomes funny. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a restore point both in Windows 7 and Windows XP. Now to create a restore point, we're going to our start button. We go to computer, then we right click on computer, then we click on properties. Now the properties dialog box will appear. Now within the control panel home here, we have an option called system protection. We click on it. Then another dialog box will appear with some options. Here we have system restore. You can undo system changes by reverting your computer to a previous restore point. So now as you can see here, I have a list of my hard drives. So I'm just going to choose the operating system that I want to create a restore point for, which is my Windows 7 operating system. So from there I will just click create. Then here another dialog box pop up. So it says type a description to help you identify the restore point. The current date and time are added automatically. So I'll just give this a meaningful name so that I can refer to it later. So let me just name it as restore. Then click create. Now it might take some few seconds, so we just have to be patient while the system creates a restore point for us. Now when done, it will tell you the restore point was created successfully. So you just have to click close. Now anytime your system crashes or your system is trying to get funny or your programs are not working properly, you can just come back to this same position. Then you click on system restore. When you click on system restore, then the system restore wizard will appear. In this screen, it says what restore files and settings. Then it says system restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So when you click next, it will show you the restore points that are here. So this is the restore point that I just created recently. But if I want to see more restore points, then I have to check this box. Then I will see a list of restore points that I created earlier. Then from there I will just click next. Then I choose the hard drive containing the operating system that I want to restore. Then from there I just click finish. That will take me to an earlier date when I created that restore point, so it can make a lot of changes to my applications. Then from there now I'm going to show you how to create a restore point in a Windows XP environment. Now in Windows XP, to create a restore point, you have to go to the start menu, go to all programs, you go to accessories, go to system tools, and you click on system restore. Now in the system restore dialog box, you have two options on the right here. It says restore my computer to an earlier time or create a restore point. So I'm going to click on the radio button which says create a restore point. Then I click next. Then from there it will ask me to name or to create a description for my restore point. Then I'll just click on say restore. Then I click on create. Then as you can see, the restore point now is created on this day and on this date and on this time. So anytime my system crashes or gets funny, I can always restore it to this date. It will come back to how it was, and I'll click close. Now I hope this tutorial is handy. It's a good practice to always create a restore point. This is even important for technicians who always format computers. If you format a computer, the first thing you need to do is to create a restore point. In case when the computer crashes, you can always restore it back to an earlier date, right, instead of reformatting that computer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps.